Hello, welcome to my cardiorespiratory endurance and weight loss health project proposal. So, in these 8 weeks, my main goal was to lose as close to 10 pounds through running and jump roping. I also wanted to decrease my mile time by at least 10 seconds. And my reasons for this goal was I would have a better stamina, more self-esteem, a better physique, and becoming more fit and healthy in general. And here's some demonstrations of my activity. So here I am running at the CRC track, and here is a 15-second clip of me jump roping. And for the results, I started this 8-week journey weighing in at 174.4 pounds, and after sticking to my plan of running at least 1 mile per day, as well as jump roping, I was able to cut down to 166.6 pounds. I was pretty close to losing 10 pounds, which was the original plan, but 8 pounds isn't that bad. I'll take 8 pounds. And my mile time dropped about 20 seconds after this 8-week journey, and it went from about 720 per mile to 650. And here are some resources. So the first link here, it's a link that shows how jump roping is extremely effective for weight loss. Here for the second link, it shows that losing 10 pounds in 8 weeks isn't too much or too little, and it's a extremely healthy change. And the last link will show tips that I incorporated to decrease my mile time, and that is here. So throughout this 8-week journey, I just really wanted to get back in shape, and through running and jump roping was the easiest possible way. I was able to lose 8 pounds and drop my mile time by 20 seconds, as I said previously. I learned a lot about the importance of staying in shape, and during these 8 weeks, it really was intense, but I stuck with the plan, and it really made me feel a lot more energetic after this weight loss, as well as increasing my self-confidence. After this project, I will try to continue this plan, but not as intense. The goal will not to be losing 10 pounds, but to maintain my current weight. My next step will probably be lean bulking. And yeah, there you go.